How you can fix your black screen when sharing your screen on Discord app. So first thing first, let's open the setting, and once you open it, you will be able to see there is general option at the bottom of this section. So just tap on that general, and once you tap on it, finally you can see there is iPhone storage at the third option. So just tap on the iPhone storage option, and finally you need to search for the Discord just down below in app here. So just scroll it until you find the uh, Discord. So just tap on show all, and once you slide it to the down, now you will be able to see there is Discord in here. So now what you can do is simply tap on it, and finally tap on offload app, and you need to reinstall it again, and yeah, you will be able to fix your black screen when sharing your screen successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to fix your black screen when sharing your screen on Discord app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.